Hello, everybody.
Well, like you said, you don't have to run faster than the bear. You only have to run faster than the guy that you're with.
Unfortunately, I was the fat kid in that circumstance. I know the movie.
All right, we're back. The complaint alleges that on or about June 20th, it's been quite a while, that you assaulted Deborah Bender, a resident or former resident of your household. I think this took place on the Portage Avenue house. Domestic violence is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. The defendant's name is Gagandeep Singh, and he is here with his lawyer, Mr. Luke Knopfsinger. Also present is Special Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Andrew Rogness. Also set for this same time as the pretrial is a allegation of a bond violation, that he violated the condition of his bond, that he was not to have any contact with the complainant, Deborah Bender. The allegation is that he was at that Portage Street address on September 18th in violation of the order of the court. Mr. Knopfsinger, what are we going to do here today?
Judge, somewhat unique. Consulted with Mr. Singh's immigration attorney. The people have agreed to an amended complaint to a simple assault and battery in exchange for dismissal of the domestic violence. I am assured that that will not have the same immigration consequences that domestic violence charge will have, for reasons sort of unknown to me. And that admission will be via no contest.
You confirm that, Mr. Rogness?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Singh, let's break that down. Domestic violence is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. So is assault and battery. It's the exact same punishment, but it takes out a domestic partner or someone you live with. So it's just a simple battery without a domestic relationship. Also, by pleading no contest, you don't admit what happened, but you also don't deny what happened, and you allow or accept that a conviction would enter. Do you understand? Yes. The reason for no contest, in this case, I would accept it because of the immigration ramifications to such a plea. So let's see what I got for a factual basis.
Do you want me to recount that?
No, yeah, I will. There's a bond information report that indicates that 3 Rivers Police by Sergeant Britton got sent to that address on Portage Avenue. I think I used to deliver newspapers to that house at about 7:30 at night. First subject was Deborah Bender, Gagandeep's mother-in-law. Justine Marie DeVito Singh, his wife. Bender told me she lives in the home with Mr. Singh. He took a thermostat off the wall because he paid the bills and it was set too low. Then threw this thermostat at her and she had a bruise on her right arm. And that, I guess, isn't exactly the crime of the century, but that would be sufficient for a battery charge on his someone they reside together in the same household. So that wasn't that concerning. But I will accept your no contest plea. What is concerning is the police report I got a couple of days ago. Rather than issue a bench warrant for your arrest, I set it for hearing at this time. I was dispatched for a report of a male kicking down the door of a home at Portage Avenue. He broke the door to get inside the home. Of course, your children were there. Justine was not answering your phone calls or letting you in. You also appeared to be drunk, according to them. I don't believe these are your children. Maybe one of them is. Raja is. Anyway, that was in violation of the no contact provision as well as the no alcohol. Mr. Singh, where are you living?
Douglas Avenue,
Who lives there?
no one,
It's a
myself.
store.
That's too many numbers.
No, it's a liquor
40.
store. I'm
Oh, the
Living
new one,
behind
that's
the-
a Douglas Avenue
yes,
address?
I'm living at my liquor store.
Okay,
I have airbag, my blank, what's called pillow.
well, don't tell me any more about that, because that's a code violation, and if the city's aware of it, they won't, you can't live there. So that's not a Michigan Avenue address, that's a Douglas?
Douglas Avenue,
Interesting.
Kalamazoo.
Oh, Kalamazoo, okay. I don't know what the rules are in Kalamazoo. What is your immigration status? Are you waiting a hearing or something, or do you have permanent residency status?
I have a employment card which is expired at the moment, but I have a valid license.
If that's true, you're going to jail when I sentence you for some period of time.
Which is true, I mean,
What?
which I can,
If the part where you showed up at the door and kicked the door in while you were drunk in violation of my order to not go there, I'm going to put you in jail for some period of time.
yes,
We haven't made a finding regarding that at this point, but I'm serious as a heart attack. Is a saying they have in English. If you go over there again, I'm locking you up. And the longer you're in jail, the more likely you're gonna come to the attention of the immigration service. But you're not supposed to go there. Do you understand?
yes,
And you're not to drink any alcohol.
no,
Now, does not appear to be a no contact with Ms. DeVito. She's the mother of your child.
my wife
You have one child
with her,
and you're married. And she has 3 other children,
she have a wife.
5 other children.
Mhm.
Holy moly. And Deborah Bender is her mother.
Yes,
Uh, There was supposedly some video. You denied being there. And there was some video evidence allegedly. Mr. Agnes, if you'd look into that.
Judge, I don't think I think it was that there was an attempt to go get video from the store to show.
Oh, that he was at the store?
Yeah,
yes, yes.
I think that was.
Oh, let me look at it. I was looking at a. So he says, I never was there, I was at my store all day.
No, I think that, no, that was not, well, I'll leave it at that. And if I may ask Judge, I think there's been a Preservation of Victim Rights Act here, so sentencing would have to occur at least 10 days.
Yes.
Is the court's intention to sentence on that and have a hearing on the alleged bond violation at the same time?
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, Justine was gonna get footage to show he was not at the store. Thank you, Luke.
Proving the negative, Judge.
Yes. How are you for Monday, October 21st at 10:30?
The earlier the better, judges. If 10:30 is the earliest, I can make that work.
All right.
What day is the 21st?
That's a Monday.
Monday.
Is it okay to zoom in on that one? Or you want me?
Yeah. Well, I may need someone regarding I need notice to the victim. I think you told me this portage is your house.
Yes.
So right now your mother-in-law is living in your house and you're not being able to live there.
Yes, sir.
Have you started a landlord-tenant case to get your house back?
I mean, my kids over there.
All right.
Yes.
Well, if I resolve this, at some point you'll be able to go back to your house.
Please.
That's kind of far out. It's another month, but I've got a lot of the times already filled up. So I apologize. This family's still disrupted. Also, the concern was that you drove from Kalamazoo to Three Rivers while you were intoxicated. It's a condition of your bond that you not use any alcohol. And you certainly aren't to go back to that Portage Street address. Or you'll sit in jail until we have the sentencing, and I don't know who'll run your store. But I'll show a no contest plea. The matter is set for sentencing for October 21st at 10:30. You're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
So much.
Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.